Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica and I'm excited to bring you along on this fun adventure to Calmayor Beach in Mallorca, Spain. It's one of the most beautiful and relaxing places on the planet, and I hope you'll enjoy take this journey with me. Come with me to the beautiful crystal clear waters of Calmayor Beach. Its amazing warm sandy shore and its stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. As soon as you arrive, it's impossible to not be taken away by its tranquil beauty. We'll take a walk around this amazing destination in the scorching 2023 summer sun, experience the sound of the gentle waves crashing against the shore, and be enchanted by the incredible natural sights it has to offer. I'll take in all the details of this marvelous beach, its incredible swimming areas, its picturesque pathways, and its tucked alcoves. So, don't miss out. Grab your shoes and let's make our way around the coast of this treasure. This beach has it all and it's sure to take your breath away with its majestic charm. It's a great spot for sunbathing, swimming, photography, or just for enjoying long and relaxing summer days with your friends or family. As we take our way around its wonderful scenery, don't forget to click like and leave a comment if you want more content like this. Join me on this epic adventure as we explore the beauty of Calmayor Beach in Mallorca, Spain. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing footage.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!